Hi, today we will be reviewing the MOSPRO fat weighing scale machine. It is especially useful for people who wish to know extra information about the body with the smart technology. This scale offers the box is especially wrapped nicely and professionally. Opening it feels really enjoyable. The scale runs on 3 AAA batteries and a battery is provided with a user manual along with it. First, install the Feel Fit app from the App Store. Thereafter, follow the configuration instructions on it. After that, connect to the scale by Bluetooth. Click on the detected device via the app and it will auto-connect. Once connected, measure your weight again and the data will be synced with the app and it will give you more data about your health like BMI, body water, bone mass, etc. All these can be further broken down by clicking on each stats and seeing where you stand against other readings. Amazing, such a technology is hard to find, but this scale offers it. Professional medical technology right at your fingertips. You can track your data history by clicking on the tracking button below. See data on a graph, which tells your weight and all other vitals on a graph. See the trend and plan your diet. Also, do not use the scale on a carpet or soft flooring, as it may affect the reading. Always place on hard surfaces. Use the scale only when you are barefooted to ensure accurate data. In conclusion, the scale is an affordable buy at just $27 for the whole set. You get an advanced smart weighing machine that gives you vital information about your health which other normal